Hello everybody. So today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about triangle. So now I will show you how to answer. In the diagram, HT is parallel with QR. So we see that HT is parallel with QR in here. And the length of BH equals to 2 centimeters, and the length of HQ equals to 3 centimeters. If the area of the triangle PST equals to 12 square centimeters, what is the area of triangle BQR? So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to consider about this one. That's about the triangle BHT and the triangle BQR. So we know that the angle BST equals to the angle BQR. The reason in here because HT is parallel with QR. That means this angle in here is same with this angle in here. The second one same with angle B. That means both of the triangles in here they have same B. So we can conclude that the triangle this one and this triangle are similar triangles. So that means we can create about the ratios in here. So we have BH over BQ equals to BT over BR. And we know that BH that's about 2, BQ that's about 2 plus 3 in here. And we have 2 over 5. 2 over 5 equals to this one. Now we have the second formula in here. The area of triangle that should be about 1 over 2 multiplied about sine number 1 and sine number 2. And we have cosine between the sine number 1 and sine number 2. So I will put about alpha in here. Now we can apply about the ratios in here. So the value of the area of BHT over the area of BQR equals to the formula in here. So we have 1 over 2 multiplied by BH and BT and we have cosine b, and the second one we have 1 over 2 multiplied by bq over br, and we have cosine b. Now we need to simplify 1 over 2 and cosine b because they are the same. Next, this one we have the value that is about 12 square centimeters. So we put number 12 in here. BH, that's about number 2. BQ, that's about 2 plus 3. And we know that's BT over BR, that's about 2 over 5. And now we can find the area of triangle PQR in here. So I will put 5 with number 5 go to the left on numerator. This one will go to the denominator. So we calculate about this one, and we have 75 square centimeters. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.